10 GK facts this day in history. August 5, 1861, for the first time, the US government levied an income tax. 1884, the cornerstone for the Statue of Liberty was laid on Bedloe's Island. 1914, the first electric traffic lights were installed in Cleveland, Ohio. 1962, Marilyn Monroe died. 1963, the United States, Britain, and the Soviet Union signed the Limited Test Ban Treaty, which prohibited nuclear weapon tests in the atmosphere, in outer space, and underwater. 1969, the US space probe Mariner 7 transmitted pictures of Mars. 1984, Joan Benoit won the first Olympic women's marathon. 2002, the gun turret of the Civil War ironclad USS Monitor was raised from the ocean floor. 2003, the Reverend Gene Robinson was approved as the first openly gay bishop by the US Episcopal Church. 2012, the plutonium-powered rover Curiosity successfully lands on Mars. Larger than earlier rovers, Curiosity will spend 2 years examining the land, looking for evidence that conditions on Mars are fit for life. इस जानकारी के लिए इस वीडियो पर बने लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।